Hi everyone, this is just a quick tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial on the focus panel settings gear button. This tutorial is going to be a fast introduction to a new feature that we added, and we just thought it would be nice to show you how to get to it, what it does, and give you a quick introduction to it. So the first thing you want to do is pick a layer in your layer manager and double click it. I only have one layer loaded right now, so I'm going to double click that layer. This opens the focus panel for that particular layer. In the top right hand corner, you'll notice there are three buttons. First button is your information button, which gives you more information on that layer. The last button is your dock me button, which we'll use in a little bit. And this middle button is your settings gear for your main view, panner view, 3D view button, and the opacity bar. So you'll click this and you'll notice a little pop-up comes in here, and it has all the buttons and the opacity bar. So you'll notice this bar pops up and it has the MP, 3D, and opacity bar, which is the same as your layer in your layer manager. And these both are linked together. So if you move your opacity bar, you'll see that they're moving in both locations. The M is also linked, so if I turn it off in my focus panel, it will turn off in my layer manager. And again, this is just for each particular layer. And we're going to close this, make it go away, click it to make it come back, and then if you click the dock me button, you're basically docking your focus panel in your layer manager. So you can still get to your layer manager, but if you don't want to go back and forth, so it's a nice feature if you don't want to go back and forth. You can just see all your information and move your opacity bar or turn different layers off straight from your layer manager. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for joining me. You can also delete your docked button. You can either click this button and it pulls it out, or you can actually right click and say delete tab. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for joining me.